There, we've got the... I should just got a shot of Mom's cleavage.
Oh, great. No,
There's Jacqueline.
Is that relatively new, that video camera?
No, about a year. Well, we got it when Noah was born, but it's not a very good quality one. There's Michelle, who's already walking. And Michael. Hi, Michael. This is the back of Michael's head. We'll come over to front of Michael.
Thank you. That was really good.
Hi. Hi, Michael.
Krista, look, it's Joe.
Oh, what are we looking at? Oh.
Walking and jogging. You okay?
Noah.
Give her some
Noah. Take some lessons.
Here, you want something?
So we got Michelle who's walking. You gonna walk, Michelle?
Come on over, sweetheart.
There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. And then we've got Noah in the corner crawling. There he is. Noah over there crawling. Hi, Noah.
Want some apple?
Hi, Noah. Making a run for it. Wanting to escape.
There you are. Alright, you want to see some brag?